So there is a rule to every exception. So I've been talking about the UV uh, overlap like it's the devil, and in most cases it is, except for when you are doing it deliberately. So if you have like if you bake this and then you just like copy it a bunch of times like this, you can't really tell that there's a seam, and that's the way I recommend you to do. Like bake your Lego pieces if you're a level designer, and then just assemble them afterwards. And this is perfect because now you're not wasting any of the texel density because you are having actual unique duplicates. As long as you're using seamless textures like these ones from Polyhaven, you can get away with it. So you can just tessellate them as much as you can. But if you do want to do this, the add-on is not gonna stop you from baking this. So it will scream that there's a lot of overlap, but what this actually means is that it will choose one of these. It will choose one of these by random, and it will bake that here. And because they're all identical, it doesn't really matter. So I'll show you that real quick. So once you're baked, you can do finalize. And let's delete these old ones so it's more clear. If you move them, you can see that they're the same. So this is a valid way of baking as well. So you have two options. You can bake one of these, and then you can just duplicate it like this. And you can even do crazy stuff like modify the mesh afterwards, like this. But you can't do stuff like extending it. So if you use the correct UV attributes, it's not gonna really work. You'll get stuff like this. But if you do the same with this, for example, it will work. Then that's because it's using seamless textures. So if you want to use this toggle, you should definitely do it before you bake. And that's pretty much it for overlapping UVs. So you can do it, but you have to be more careful with the UVs.